We are at the Terminal 2 of Pudong International Airport, and we are here to check out the brand new international services recently opened here. Let's see what they offer for international tourists. First and foremost, SIM cards, because while we are traveling, staying connected is essential. Here I see the section called communication. So let's find out what kind of SIM cards we can get here. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
What SIM card packages do you have?
We have 3 packages, 7-day, 15-day and 13-day.
For payment, you can use cash, a Chinese or foreign bank card, or digital payment options like Alipay and WeChat. First, the staff will check to ensure the SIM card is compatible with your phone. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and make the purchase. Just provide your passport, wait for a bit, and it's done.
Here we also have a special telephone booth where we can have a 3 minutes call to domestic numbers free of charge. Let's test it. I'll call myself because I have Chinese number. It works. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Shanghai. Here we can also exchange money. How does this process look like?
First, please choose the language you prefer. And second, the machine shows daily rent. Please check. If it's okay, please put the button for exchange.
Then select your ID document, scan it, and put foreign currency in the machine.
And no fear.
Of course.
Oh, that's amazing. Now?
Then click Finish and receive RMB.
This card you can take bus, metro and maglev.
It seems I also can pay in some stores.
Yes, some stores.
And how much does it cost?
The card costs 20 yuan.
And where can I charge it?
You can charge in here or some metro stations.
Sounds convenient. All these services you can get here very fast and convenient. I am Arina Yakukova. Welcome to Shanghai.